Happy 4th of July, everyone.
Happy 4th.
Guys, I hope you all are having a wonderful and blessed happy 4th of July. I am here with my siblings. They are joining me for the 4th. I am so excited. I wanted to just quickly introduce them. Over here we have my middle sister, Willow. Say hello.
What's going on?
And then we also have my baby sister, Bernie.
Hello.
And then my fabulous older brother, Johnny.
Hey.
So you guys, I hope you have a wonderful 4th, and I will see you guys soon. Bye now. Hi everyone, and welcome back to another video with DIYs by Carolina. I hope everyone is having a safe and blessed happy 4th of July. And as you guys can see, we're getting right into this final series of the backyard makeover. All right, so here's a quick look at what the canopy looks like in the patio space. So basically, when you walk through my gate here, that will basically be the first thing you see. So it's right here in the middle, in between the storage house and my home. So yeah, it has the mosquito nets. Yeah, this is wonderful. So yeah, I'm just waiting on my furniture to arrive, my patio furniture, and I'll get a nice fan to put out here. That will be perfect. So I think I'm going to really enjoy this little space this summer. All right, you guys, so I am about to get started with painting my concrete patio. As you guys can see, I am using the sand color concrete paint from Valspar. I had to wait until that sun started to go down, you guys. It's like 8 o'clock now. Y'all, it's so hot in South Carolina. Oh my God. Even at 8 o'clock, it's like 88 degrees outside. So I just had to wait until everything cooled down a little bit because y'all, I'm not ready for summer. Let me just say that right now. I am not ready. So anyway, let's go ahead and get started with this so we can go ahead and move on to the next project. Okay, you guys, so here's a before look at the patio space. As you guys can recall, in part 2 of the series, I actually cleaned the patio area. And here's a little small area where I sampled the paint that I'm thinking about using. So this is in the color Shell. So just wanted to kind of, try it out a little bit and just kind of make sure that's the color that I actually wanted. Because remember, I did wanted something pretty light. I just didn't want to go with your standard gray. So I wanted to come on right quickly and show you guys what it looks like after the first coat was applied. So it looks really, really good, and it dries extremely fast. So that's a huge plus for me. So I am going to be painting on a second coat of this paint, and then I'll go behind that and I'll seal it. So this is just the first coat. As you guys can see, it's dark outside. It's like about 8:30 or whatever. So I'm going to go ahead and call it a night, and I will be back out here tomorrow when I get off from work and put on the second coat, and then of course the sealer. So I'll see you guys then. All right, so here's a quick look at what the patio is looking like with the one coat of paint. So as you can see over here in this corner, I'm getting ready to add the second coat, and you can kind of tell the difference already. So we're going to go ahead and spray it on that second coat, and then I'm going to seal it. All right, you guys, so here's a final look at what the concrete patio space looks like. As you guys can see, I also painted the brick area as well because I wanted the space to be cohesive. I didn't want to have too much different landscaping going on in such a small area. So I went ahead and painted both spaces the same color, and I think it turned out fantastic. I really love the way it looks. And don't forget, you guys, I am going to be adding a floating deck later on in the summer, maybe early fall, to this particular space here. So I just wanted to share that with you. But in the meantime, I am going to be decorating this space in this particular video. Good morning, you guys. So the time is around 10 a.m. and the temperature outside is 80 degrees. And as you guys can see, I'm already sweating. It's so humid out here. Even though it's 80, it feels like it's about 90. So that has been somewhat of a challenge with trying to complete this backyard space because I literally cannot stand the heat. I don't come outside until about 6:30, something like that, to try to finish up this makeover. But yeah, it's been extremely difficult, you guys. But anyway, as you guys can see, the patio has been completely painted. I'm so excited. So now let's go ahead and decorate before the sun really comes out, because the predicted temperature is 96 today. So this is a little temporary table that I made to cover this up. I will be posting how I did this in a shorts video later this week. Okay, you guys, so I'm actually reusing the rug that I had on here previously. I just took my time and pressure washed it and cleaned it really well. And so it looks fantastic. So I'm going to be reusing this rug, which is going to save me a lot of money. If you guys are interested in this patio set that I purchased, I will be linking the information in the description. I purchased these from Amazon. You guys, so I wanted to come in for a quick second. It's pretty noisy outside, so that's why I came in here. with the fireworks and everything going on. And you guys know that I'm hosting my siblings. So I just wanted to come in and just say thank you guys so much for following me with this backyard series. I hope you guys appreciate this final reveal. There is still a few other projects that I want to undertake in the backyard. I'll probably do a complete video of those individual projects. For example, over by the trash can, and then also the area where my lawnmower is at. So there's still some things that I still want to undertake, but it will be in a complete different or separate video. So let's go ahead and get started with this final review. to thank you guys for joining me in this backyard series. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and definitely give it a huge thumbs up. And I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. Bye now.